Hey guys, it's Johnny here today and we are going to be doing an experiment. Now this experiment is very easy to make at home, and the materials you can find in your house. And it is Volcano. Alright, so the first material we're gonna need is our vinegar. Now we can use apple cider vinegar or a normal clear vinegar. Now I'm just gonna take a cup and put my vinegar inside a cup. Now, I'm sure most of you know that vinegar is actually over 80% water and the rest are acetic acid. All right, and now this acid is what's gonna react to the other part of our volcano. So next I'm gonna be putting food coloring to my vinegar mix. So we all know the color of lava is orange. So we're gonna have a mix of red, hints of red, all right, food coloring, and yellow to give the orange effect. And I like a lot more yellow because the red's pretty strong, so I'm just gonna stir that in. I'm gonna place that aside. Now my first mix is done, which is the vinegar and food coloring. Next, I have a cup full of soap and a little bit of water. Now the reason why we need the soap is when we have our reaction, the carbon dioxide is mixed in a bubble form and it has this nice foamy effect, which is very cool for our lava. So I'm just gonna mix that in as well. That is my soap and water, and I'm gonna add some baking soda. Now this is what reacts with vinegar and it releases carbon dioxide. So I'm just gonna add some baking soda in there. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because I want it to mix in very well, so when I pour the solutions in, they react nicely together. Just gonna mix that in, and then I'll just give it more mix actually. Just over there, and then we're gonna pour it into, now you can use a bottle, you can use a plastic bottle, or you can make your own sort of a mountain for a volcano if you want to decor. And now that we have the soapy solution with a little bit of water and some baking soda in, now I'm gonna add my vinegar with the food coloring into my baking soda and soap mixture, and whoa, look at that. That was quick to erupt and I didn't even use all of it. Look at that. If you think you can do better than what Johnny just did, please record yourself and don't forget to tag Molecular Education on Instagram or Facebook, and let's see how good you do. Don't forget, you can use any type of vinegar for this experiment. Alright guys, stay safe. See you next time. Bye.